Hi, welcome to Varaj Creations. Today, let's learn about Gajanan Maharaj Shegao Institute in Maharashtra, which is famous for its disciplined, clean, and beautiful management. When we visit Shegao as devotees, we are always impressed by the cleanliness, orderliness, and overall efficient system in place. The systems behind these practices leave us with admiration and curiosity. In Shegao, we always experience impeccable arrangements at the temple, where we receive Mahaprasad with great reverence, stay at the Anand Vihar, and use clean and well-maintained bed sheets, pillows, towels. We enjoy the meals at the dining hall, and all these arrangements fill everyone with wonder. However, all of this is just the tip of the iceberg. A large and complex system works behind it. To ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently, the Annapurna Akshayapatra kitchen plays a crucial role. Located about 3 kilometers from Shegao on Akot Road, Maharashtra, this kitchen amazes visitors with its large scale. It has a variety of departments, ranging from marble cutting and carving, woodwork, vehicle tires, electrical systems, vegetable storage, potato cold storage, laundry, and vast grain storage, among others. The highlight of this facility is its state-of-the-art machinery and equipment, making it one of the most advanced kitchens. The cleanliness maintained here is extraordinary. Whether it's the laddu making section or the grain storage, every department is spotless. There's not a single ant or fly in sight. The cleanliness is so meticulous that not even a speck of dust can be found on the fire extinguishing pipes. The management system is highly disciplined, and hundreds of staff members work relentlessly. They are all absorbed in their tasks, but not a single sound can be heard from them. The kitchen is so modern that rice can be prepared in a matter of minutes on large steam boilers. There are machines for making chapatis, and vegetables can be fried within 10 to 15 minutes. The food supply is carried out quietly and systematically. On special days, meals are prepared for over 1 lakh devotees, and on peak days, it can go up to 1.5 to 2.5 lakh devotees. The vegetable storage is fully air-conditioned, ensuring that the vegetables stay fresh for up to 8 days. Every ingredient used in the meals is checked thoroughly. There is a massive flour mill for grinding, which will leave you in awe. Everything is done in a highly organized and methodical manner. The laundry section is also vast, with large washing machines, dryers, systems for drying clothes, and ironing rollers. Every piece of clothing is folded so meticulously that not a single corner is left untidy. The premises of the institute are beautifully landscaped with lush green gardens, wide roads, and black pipes and drip systems near the trees to keep them vibrant. Water is not wasted, and the drainage water is purified before being used for the plants. The institute also has a mental wellness system where hardworking staff can relax and rejuvenate. There is no other place in the world like the disciplined, clean, and beautiful system of the Shegao Institute. Those who have had the privilege of witnessing this grandeur are truly fortunate.